Alright, so once again, welcome to Test Crypto, the home of cryptocurrency and interweb technology. So basically on this channel, we discuss about cryptocurrency adoption, like Bitcoin, altcoin, and any other investment opportunity. In today's video, we are going to be talking on how to install and set up your Metamask wallet. Okay, so this involves three processes. The step number one is go to your browser. Second step is go to the official website, and third step is install and create your Metamask wallet. Okay, so let's go with step number one. Just go to whichever browser you are using, search for metamask.io. So I'll be providing the links in my description. Okay, search for metamask.io. Okay, that is the official Metamask wallet. Okay, so once you search it, it will bring you here. Okay, so you just scroll down. Okay, scroll down. You know, I'm using Firefox. Okay, so you just scroll down, come to this download, or come to this side, it says download, click on it, and then scroll down, come here and say install Metamask wallet. Okay, so if you watch, it's installing, so you are going to wait for it to install. So after that, it says continue to installation, so click on it and then click on add. Okay, so that is it. You can just say okay and okay. So once that is done, it will automatically put your Metamask wallet here. You can see my Metamask extension wallet here. Okay, so if your own is not showing here, just come over to this this extension box here, click on it, and then you come over to this place that says extensions. Okay, click on this extension and you are going to see your Metamask wallet. Okay, so remember, this is for Firefox browser. Okay, so the one of Chrome browser will be like let me show you. In Chrome, just come to this extension box, click on it, and it's going to show up here. Okay, as you can see, my Metamask wallet is here, so you just click on this pin. Okay, so it will automatically show up here. Okay, so for the one Firefox, once you come over to this place, just click on this this button here. In case if it is turned off, okay, just click on it, so turn it on, and it will automatically show here. Okay, so that is it. And then next step is to create the wallet. Okay, so once you click on your Metamask wallet extension, it will automatically open a new tab for you to create your wallet address. Okay, so now to show something like this, just come over to here, click on this agree to Metamask terms of use, click on create, then go ahead, read all these things. Okay, but for the simplicity of this video, I'm just going to continue straight away. Click on agree. When you're done reading, then input your password. Okay, so I'll go ahead and input my password. Okay, so once you are done inputting your password, then click on this place that says I understand that Metamask cannot recover this password for me. So once you click on that, then click on create new wallet. Once you are done with that, to bring you to this place, giving you some explanation on how to secure your wallet. Okay, so you can watch this video. We've already done that. Once you are done watching the video, you come down to this place that says secure my wallet. Okay, recommended, click on it, and then it will bring you to the next page. Okay, so this place, it says write down your secret recovery phrase. Okay, so let me just give you a clue of what this means. Your secret recovery phrase, this is very important to write this down and secure it in a very private place, in a place where you only be the one to have access to it. Because if anyone have access to this your recovery phrase, they have access to your funds, they can do anything they want to do with your funds. So it's very important you secure it. You can only be the one to have access to it. Okay, it's very important and essential. So once you get to this page, next thing, come over to this place, review secret phrase. Okay, so this is my 12th secret phrase. Okay, this is my 12th secret phrase. So I'm going to input all these things. I'm going to write this down. Okay, I'm going to write all these 12 secret phrase, because once I lost this secret phrase, I will never have access to this wallet again, and any funds that is being deposited into this wallet address will forever be lost, because I cannot have access to it. Not even Metamask can help me retrieve my secret phrase, because it is completely decentralized. Okay, so it's important you secure and you write this down and secure it. Very important. Okay, so once you are done writing it down, so I will go ahead and write my own down. Okay, because you have to write this down. We are going to be asked to verify if you wrote this down. That's why it's important to make sure you write this down. Okay, so now that I'm done writing it down, next thing is click on this next, and then they are going to ask you some questions like this to make sure that you did write it down. Okay, so they told you number 1 answer, 2 answers, and then number 3 is missing, so you are going to complete it by yourself. haven't written this down, so we are going to just like impute number 3 from what you wrote down. Okay, so from my own side it says number 3 is diary. Okay, so my number 4 says, and then my number 8 says, yeah. So once you have imputed it correctly, this continue button is going to be available. Okay, so once that is done, just click on confirm, and you get something like this. Okay, wallet created successfully. You have successfully protected your wallet. Okay, so keep your secret recovery phrase safe and secret. Okay, it's your responsibility, remember. Yeah, so that is your responsibility to keep it safe. Okay, so once you get to this point, just say yeah, got it, then click on, you can read all these things. Okay, click on next, and then once you are done reading all these things, you can just click anywhere in the screen to remove, and then this is your wallet address. Your wallet address will be ready for transaction, ready for interacting with all these testnets and projects that are not yet launched, where you can position yourself for airdrops. Is very important. You can also use this one to interact with decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and other ones. Okay, so it's very important to create your Metamask wallet. Alright, so that brings us to the end of this video. If you like the quality of this content, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, remain blessed, and of course, peace out.